excited and nervous. Excited because it's just exciting, isn't it? I'm really nervous in case I fall off and I can't get back on. This get into racing thing is for people who like want to get into racing, so like say sit down racing and stand up for people who've never had a jet ski before, and it's like it's kind of hard to explain what it's going to be like, but I'll get back to you when we're at the lake and show you around at the course. So yeah, it's going to be a fun day, so see you all when I get there. So here we are, guys. A lot of people here today, but look at that course. Holy, the boys are huge. Oh, guys, look at that. This course is great today. Some good things today that weren't usually here. The boys are absolutely massive. To use while retrieving your ski from the water. What must you do on the start line to indicate?
Hold your lines on the start, keep your eye real every lap, we go on green. Do the same again on the other side.
Did it so far, mate?
Fell off a few times, but it's all fun.
All fun.
It's really, really choppy to be honest. It started raining.
And it started raining now. In fact, do you think you'll be a racer?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
I find it really fun, yeah.
Good stuff. What do you mean?
Like the 13 over there, he was going left, right, and I didn't know which way he was going to go. Then he just started doing hard right and left, and I was like,
I can't keep up with it. And the split course is really tight and technical, which makes it harder, but makes it all fun.
Free blitz.
Drawing line, you're not having your name and
Okay,
Mark.
riders, we're going for 8 minutes. That's 8 minutes plus 1 lap. Hold your lines on the start. Keep your eye on every lap. We go on green.
Oh no, I'll get ready now. out there. Blue boy.
Because she's done the
She's on a split.
Yeah. Yeah, she's got the 53 red now. It's off.
Yeah.
Come on, Ted.
Off now.
Come on, keep going, Jake. Yeah, he needed to.
I realise you had one, but you have. So the first one is junior ski. So big round of applause for fourth place, Jesse Williams. Third place, Julian Duffel. Working way over here. Well done. There you go. Standing on Jake Soros. Well done. Well done. First of many, I'm sure. Second place, Jake Connor. Well done. And in first place, Liam Mullet. Well done. All off the other Well done. Round, dude. That's it. Thank you, well done.
Hi guys, welcome back if you've made it this far. Congrats. So tomorrow is big day tomorrow, it's race day. I want to congratulate everyone that's took part. Third place Julian, second place me, and first place Leah. It's been a really good fun racing day with you. And I'll see you guys in the morning. So yeah. So, good morning guys. And today is the British Championships. So this is part 2. Yeah, I'm going to be racing against Archie McAllister, Harry, Riley, some girl named Leah, but I came second yesterday. She beat me, came first on the podium, but it's all good. If you like last week's video, comment below, and if you haven't, and if you just started watching this, welcome to my channel. It's really amazing how everyone comes and joins the channel. Well, I hope you guys see you at the lake. Bye. No! No! You gave my goggles wet! stopping it.
He's what?
My throttle. I didn't press the throttle and it full throttled into the bushes.
Right, jump up, down, or you'll lose your position even more. You alright? You've not hurt yourself, have you? Yeah?
No.
Jake, get on. Put
Just
your feet in then.
I can't. It's my hands are too wet.
Okay. Go on then. Fire her up. Go on.
So we're having a little dinner break. What are you going to tell us about that first race? How do you feel about
Absolutely horrendous. Not even like the first, like the second buoy came off,
that? But you got up
Yeah.
and you did well.
and I gained a few people back anyway. So
You did amazing, mate. It's your first proper race. Have you learnt anything from that?
take my finger to the throttle and make sure I go around corners quicker.
Fair enough.
But yeah, I've learned to stay on. And that's the main thing. You gotta stay on.
Good.
But yeah, just gotta stay on.
Good.
Turn it off a little bit. What's that, mate?
hope you've all enjoyed this video. Well, as you know, today is the British Jetsport Championship, and I came fourth. I'm really happy, and I'm surprised that I even got fourth, if I'm honest. So, basically, I fell off a load of times, but I was out of 7. I want to congratulate Archie, Harry, and Lucas for coming first, second, and third. But yeah, it was fun. It was really fun. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and I want to say a big thanks to Scott and Chris for helping us, because this day couldn't happen without them. And to use their late, they've helped me so much since October, and I've known them since July 2025, so it's just been a big pleasure. But yeah, I'll see you at the lake next time when we get there, so see you in a bit.